Previously on Iverlyn and the people them man. Iverlyn, I'm bringing my boyfriend Brian home tonight so you can meet him. Brian, this is my cousin. Iverlyn? Awa, you not seen nobody do yoga before. Brian, oh, me you like. And you want to take me shopping? Let's get one hotel room. You think I want you? Now that I know who you really are.
Jenna, where's Iverlyn?
Don't be stingy, Brian. You dare me keep a man, but me not there with me cousin, man.
Who you? No, it's who she?
On your own.
Wow, you ain't getting away that easy, Ron. How dumb are you?
But babes.
Marcus, leg out of my face, me gone.
No, I tried. You know, she not listen to me. She never did want to listen to me. Listen here, when the time come, she will understand. Until then, let's do what we do best. Exactly.
Yes, good music on the track. Good girl.
See me like it rough, rough. Gripping on me neck, pull out me ear, get the ankle, cuff. With the people them man, now you know, see me don't give a fuck, fuck. Cause you know it well tight and the man them say it fuck. If you're no girl, me not trouble you. Exactly. Okay, fellas, that was great. But right now, you don't have to go home to your wife, but you have to get the hell out of here.
Oh, when we said we were married,
We meant
to each other.
Whoa, that's a first.
exactly.
Whoa, I guess this what they mean when they say cups being turned.
Iverlyn.
Oh no, sir, I'm not Iverlyn. I'm her
Iverlyn, my darling. I finally get to see you again. At last. Now I can die in peace.
Oh no, we're losing him. We're losing him. Help! Help!
Okay. Settle down, everybody. We have a new member with us here today. Brian, would you like to share with us?
Hi, I'm Brian.
Hey, Brian.
And my girlfriend for over 2 years broke up with me because I almost cheated on her with her twin cousin.
Wait. You mean to tell me you're here because you almost cheated on your girlfriend? Man, my wife kicked me out when I cheated on her, and I never seen my wife and kids since. Now I'm in the Walmart parking lot eating strange men groceries.
Wait, so you're telling me you're stealing people groceries in the parking lot?
No, Negro, I'm eating ass. Keep up with the times.
Oh, okay. Yuck.
Exactly. So in the words of that Brandy song, almost never counts. By the way, Brandy is the person I cheated on with my wife. And she was on my list on people I could sleep with. But my wife said that list never counts. Anyway, Brian, you need to get the hell out of here.
Yeah. I'm sorry, Brian, but it looks like you need to go.
Underwater. Me good underwater.
Delivery.
Oh, that must be my pizza with extra sausage.
That'll be $11.50.
Will this cover it?
Ah.
Works every time. But wait, hope so you not forget the sausage.
Bartender, here's $50. Please change the song.
Alright, man. I got it, man. Alright, I'll change it.
Oh, damn it. This is even worse. Bartender, here's another 50. Just play some elevator music, please.
Whoa, you having a rough time here, sir. You want me to bring you another drink?
No, just leave the bottle.
Alright, I'll bring you the bottle. Man,
You need some company?
who you?
No, it's who she.
Listen, I don't got time for jokes right now.
Well, I'm sure you want to hear me out.
I can help you out with your problem.
Which problem is that?
Iverlyn,
Go on.
we got a way to get revenge.
Who's we?
Yes, Ara, stab up the man. Yes, goody, stab him. Who a call me while me a watch Game of Thrones, man? Sure. Goody, this better be good. Hi, Iverlyn. Do you know a Mr. Pierce? Yeah, Mr. Pierce. That are the old man me used to take care of. You know, me used to make that man feel me up all the time. And then one day his wife catch me. You know, so she fire me. Anyway, what do him? Well, Iverlyn, he passed away. No, Mr. Pierce passed away. No, you that man did have enough money. Goody, enough money that man did have. No. Iverlyn, you serious? That's all you care about? What you mean, Goody? Enough money? No, Goody. You don't understand. You see the Benz him give me, and enough more him promise me, but him wife, she just shake up everything. She shake it up. That woman, you see? Listen, Iverlyn, you're something else. I gotta go. We'll talk more when I get home. Oh, what a day. Well, at least me get me extra sausage.
Exactly.
Ross, you still there? Iverlyn. First thing in the morning. Thank God for life. Looking at the mirror. And grab up me press. Then me go way to bless. Then me grab up me press. Then me go way to bless. Exactly. Me no care what you want say. Take your money in the blood clot day. You a mean me a side, but the wallet still open wide. This everything well tight, and I feel forcing you all in might. This is me bad wicked in the bed when you're boring coming like you're dead. Oh, the blind man want feel it. Oh, no man when I repeat it.